To collaborate efficiently in PropStream, you can add team members to your account and assign them the right access levels. Start by logging into your PropStream account and navigating to the Accounts tab on the left-hand side. From there, locate Team on the right-hand side and click Create Your Team Today. You will have two options for choosing a tier for your new team member. Next, choose the access level that fits their role. Mobile Scout is free and provides mobile app access only. Full access includes both desktop and mobile access. After selecting the access level, enter the team member's general information, account information, usage limits, and applicable billing. When you're done, click Continue. If you did not set a usage limit for your team member, a pop-up will appear confirming non-limit setup. Once you click Yes, you can review and click on Confirm Changes. Adding team members helps you streamline collaboration and manage permissions efficiently with your PropStream account. Need assistance? PropStream support is available via live chat, email, or phone. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more PropStream tips and updates.